How to create an account on Botim app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to install the Botim app. So you'll need to go to your app store and then in the search bar, search for Botim and then you will need to install it. So after you have installed the app, open it up and then you will see get started, tap on it. You can even change the language if you want to. And then after hitting get started, you will see start a Botim experience. So you will need to enter your phone number. So, so then you'll get a OTP code. You'll need to enter it and then you can put in your username, your profile picture and add the contacts and then just set up your account. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.